Marcus, what are you doing?
Bro, you have no idea what we have planned today. Everyone like it up and subscribe because I'm gonna need your help.
Bro.
5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you like and subscribe?
What are you doing? Dude.
What is this?
Yeah, what is this, bro?
I'm gonna create the world's first underwater car.
No, I'm not talking about the car. I'm
What?
talking about why are you wearing a blouse?
Because I'm a lab guy.
Oh.
I'm gonna make this car drive underwater.
Oh, you're crazy, bro.
Hey, call me crazy. What's up? What are you doing with this car? It's fresh.
He said he's gonna make it on the...
What are you doing, Marcus?
Bro.
Yo, what are you doing?
Bro.
Stop. What are you doing, Yo, Marcus? Get out of my way. What are you trying to do? I'm making the first underwater car drive. Putting this car underwater? You're crazy, Marcus. What are you doing? Get out of my way. Marcus, what the... Yo!
Yo! Lucas!
What are you doing? I know what I'm doing. Be quiet. This is my laboratory, okay? What do you mean your laboratory? What are you doing? I'm driving the first car underwater. Everyone like and subscribe. Do you want to join me or not?
Should we join him?
This car is going to float underwater. It's going to drive underwater. Why do you have a laptop? Because I'm running the calculations. What calculations? Are you going to help me or not? That's it. We built the first house underwater. Do you want to build me with the first car driving underwater? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yeah, sure. All right. It's not gonna go as planned. Don't help me out. I'm getting stressed. All right, get in.
Where'd you find this car?
Don't worry about it. Just get in. Did you build this yourself? Kind of. So
I'm actually going in now?
Yeah. Press the brake. Press the brake. All right. Wait, what are you going?
What am I doing?
Go.
No, I don't want to go in the water yet.
You won't. You won't. Stop. Just go.
All right.
Brake.
Oh my gosh.
What's that sound?
Get out. You're ruining my scheme.
All right.
Get out. All right, we're gonna have to push it underwater from here.
All right.
When I say go, I'm gonna have to run in my laptop. Give me my laptop. We're gonna have to do some scheming. All right, ready? You ready?
It's not
Yeah.
that of it.
Stop. Ready?
Wait, or you should better push it in.
Yeah. Almost forgot these.
What?
The pH is low.
What?
The pH.
What?
Push. Go over there. Get it.
Oh!
No! Lucas!
What is going on? Lucas!
Good? It's working! It's hot! We gotta get underwater.
Yo!
Give me my laptop.
Where you got the? Oh, the laptop's in there?
Oh no. It's going underwater. It's going. It's gonna work.
It's gonna work.
We're gonna drive the first ever car underwater. Come to this side. Whoa, Marcus! Come this side.
Oh my goodness! Yo, it's sinking.
Be quiet. I
Yo.
told you this would work. Alright, get off. Give my laptop. Give my laptop.
Where is it?
Give my laptop.
Where?
Give my laptop. It's over there. You wanna drive this car underwater or not? Yo, what happened? I'm turning it on. Hold up. Is it on?
I don't know how to
Go check. Lights should be on.
Let me go check.
How long have you been working on this project for?
A year?
Actually?
Yeah. Go check if the lights are on.
Yeah.
Hurry up.
If it's not on, you're wasting my time.
Alright, bro. Good luck.
Hopefully it's on.
Yeah. How's it looking in the computer?
It's looking okay. Is it on? Hold on. Maybe I have to get closer.
Yeah.
Yo, Lucas, is it on or not?
It's not on.
It's because you forgot to turn the ignition on.
What are you talking about?
Give me the goggles.
I mean, the doors are opening and all that, but the lights aren't on.
You don't know how to do it.
What do you mean I don't know how to do it? You said that it was already on. Then next you know it's not on. Like, what's going on?
You gotta turn on the ignition. turn it on? Yeah, I have to turn off the parking brake.
So how'd it go down there?
I don't know, I think he's still trying to figure it out. The parking brake is still on, I think. But, I mean, I don't know if he knows what he's doing. He's going crazy, I don't know. I mean, the car was working, but it's just not working now. So I don't know what's going on. He's just trying to figure it out. I need help. What do you mean? Did you get it?
Almost.
We need to open the engine.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
You want me to open it?
Yeah.
Alright, hold this.
Yo, what are you guys doing down there?
I don't know, we're trying to open the engine, but we can't find the engine opener thing. I opened the trunk.
No way.
Yeah, I know I left some parts in there. Come on, come underwater.
You okay?
Yo, where's the part?
Yo, what the heck is that, Morgus?
These are all my stuff. Ready, 1, 2, push it up.
Is there anything more in there? Oh, just trash.
I don't think he's gonna find the part he's looking for.
I don't think so either.
Take the bag, empty the bag out. No,
What? Pair of scissors?
No, this is not it. Empty the bag out.
What is all this?
Is it in the bag? It's like this little screw thing.
This little screw thing? What are you talking? You talking about that?
It's like this little thing.
You found your pieces?
What is it exactly?
Yeah.
I can't explain it.
What?
This is part of it.
What is it?
Oh no, it's still in there.
It's still in there?
Wasting my time, bro.
What do you mean? We're gonna make this car drive underwater. Don't worry about it.
Alright.
Yeah, let's see about that, bro.
What's this?
What
Don't
is
touch
that?
I used to drive this car. I used to pick up all the ladies with this car.
Can't believe this thing still exists.
You ain't getting no ladies with this car though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Try to pick up, that's what you mean.
Nah.
He means try to pick up.
Yeah, I feel like you might get a way to get this car to drive underwater.
I mean, it has to be very ingenious. Very ingenious.
Here's the main point. Hold this.
What is it?
I don't know.
Hold that.
Looks like a battery.
Get that part
What part?
over there.
Oh,
Keep those together.
keep these together?
Yeah.
Okay.
What else?
Anything else, bro?
These are. I need your help.
How?
You gotta get more stuff under there. Everyone like it up and subscribe. We're gonna make this work. We're almost at 17 million subscribers.
Thought we were at 20 almost.
Alright, you're gonna have to grab everything in the trunk, alright?
Alright, good luck, guys. Find anything, bro?
Yeah, I got something.
More stuff? Grab.
More? What is that? Oh. It's just another bottle. Find anything?
Got it? Yes! There it is! Was that everything in the back?
Let me try to drive it now.
No, I have to build that.
Alright.
Is that everything in the back?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah. What is that?
Yeah, what is that, bro?
you're gonna have to cut one of the wires near the front engine.
Alright.
Okay?
Yeah, give me the goggles. Which one? Which wire?
Well, you know where the trunk popped up?
Yeah.
It's the wire there.
Alright.
Alright?
Yeah.
Don't worry, we're gonna make this work.
I know.
Black one's
I know.
It's a wire. I'm gonna go under there to help you out, okay?
Alright.
Well, I'm underwater again.
We got it. You got it? But we got it.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah.
There's no way this car is gonna move.
Yeah.
Anything?
It moved a little bit.
Nuh-uh.
That's
Just
about
a
it.
little, but I think the battery died.
Yeah.
Actually?
Yeah.
Ah!
Let me try again real quick.
Yeah. Man, that must be unreal.
Yo, he's driving it underwater right
No,
now.
he's not. Right now?
Alright, battery's dead. At least we drove it a little.
Yeah?
Yeah, it moved like a foot. That's about it.
I didn't get to see it, but come here, bro. Damn me out. At least it worked for like.
It was insane.
Actually?
Yeah, it just drove like a foot and then that's about it.
Oh my
But
god.
hey, at least you can say we're the first ones to drive a car underwater.
Yeah.
Yep. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe. We post every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. Love you guys so much. Good job, Marcus. How are we gonna get this car out?
Yeah, I'm out.
Alright. See ya.